Hello guys! Tara samahan niyo ako mag-open ng aking parcel. Kahit dito tayo sa Europe, parcel is life. So tingnan natin kung maganda. Sana maganda at hindi tayo ma-disappoint. Tingnan natin. Hmm, Sana maganda. It's from Polo Grand. In-order ko to sa Trendyol. Tingnan. Polo Grand, London. Tingnan natin. Let's see. Uy, may bag. Ano kaya to? Okay kaya siya? Oh, parang okay siya. Maganda. Wow, it's nice. I like it. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. It's a sling bag with two compartments. Wait, let's open. Uy, kasama purse. And then, meron siyang sling from Polo. It's Polo Grand. Ganda niya. Pwede rin siyang lagyan ng, ang tawag doon, yung gold strap. Metal. Pero ito pa lang ay okay na siya. Then, pabain natin yung strap. It's a body bag. So, I think it's good. Very nice. Thank you. I-add pala natin tong kanyang purse. So, ganda. Cute, oh. For coins. Yan. Saan natin ito lalagay? Ganda ng material. Dito siya. Yan. Maganda siya. Madami kang mailalagay with two compartments. Two compartments, sorry. Yan siya. Okay. I am satisfied with this purchase. Thank you, Polo Grand.